nice moves, so we need to be able to be careful not to give him that opportunity.
Oh, nice move mula kay Duremdes. At pero napasok. Kenneth Duremdes, who has played a statement tournament in this Jones Cup, has certainly blossomed as our top gunner.
Meneses off Dennis Espino. Jumper by Kenneth Duremdes from the outside is into a lot of basketball fans all over, and a good defensive stop. And the fast break play, Kenneth Duremdes.
Some player, and Marlo already has changed 3 shots of the Japanese early.
Ay, si Kenneth Duremdes na naman. Dani ang bola, ising-ising agaw, and here's where Hel Meneses, or rather Kenneth Duremdes. Starring Antonio Banderas, opening September 15.
Ano ba yun? Rebound ni Wang. Pero natating yung bola. Libre-libre si Duremdes. Dinaktak ng dalawang kamay. Municipal Stadium ng Taipei. Nice pass and alley-oop.
Chinese Taipei team feeling the pressure.
Oh, yes! Nice pass inside. Alley-oop play. Meneses and Duremdes, they used to play together. Dun po sa RFM franchise, and they're playing beautiful music again.
Unselfish to cut down the baseline.
Duremdes. Oh!
May baseline move din si Kenneth Duremdes.
Hindi na po nilalaro natin sa second half. Wang hooligan! Yung Kenneth Duremdes. Outside shot again. Wang. And the defense now starting to crank up.
Tapos yung malaki nila, 6'7", blocked by Kenneth Duremdes. Yata naka-block ko rin.
From nowhere.
Unbelievable block by Kenneth Duremdes.
Here he is.
Leaping ability ni Kenneth.
Kenneth Duremdes!
Oh! It's ng Chinese Taipei. Tignan natin if it will work.
Duremdes gets inside. Oh!
It doesn't work.
Duremdes
Safely giving it over to
binigay kay
Duremdes.
Malo. Nice feed. And that making.
And it's going to be Kenneth Duremdes.
It's 29-21. Andy Siegel. Uy, maganda pasa to Kenneth Duremdes. Yes! That play always works. Possession na naman sa Pilipinas. Johnny Abarrientos to Kenneth Duremdes. Bigla pumukol. Galing sa Kenneth. Yes! Good start. Xiaopin. Kenneth Duremdes against Lee Xiaoyong. Duremdes takes it hard inside. Oh, yes! Kenneth Duremdes with 4 straight points.
And Racela wisely waits for his team. Is open. It's Kenneth Duremdes for a second 3-point shot.
Smart move
remaining.
By Kenneth Duremdes. No? He didn't have the shot and he couldn't get the rebound. Tinapik talaga yung bola, keeping the ball alive for the Philippines.
Kenneth Duremdes is open. Nothing but net. His third and one of his finest shooting games. Kenneth Duremdes. All of a sudden, lahat ng hirap kinito nawawala. Dito sa mga Pilipino. Ito forward pass to Kenneth Duremdes. He will take this one. Mainit ang kamay.
13-2 blast. Duremdes again with the 3-point shot.
Pasok. Clutch basket.
Boy, we needed that. Duremdes.
Mainit pa ba? Naku, kinito. Siegel hindi nakita. May bukas na tao si Duremdes. Kick out Duremdes. Mainit yan. Mainit pa rin! 20 puntos! 6 na 3-point shots! At si Duremdes.
To dribble. Lassie will go to the right wing. Lassie is in the middle, but he provides the shield for Duremdes. Duremdes, I believe, and this is going to be a short stab for Duremdes, who is now playing in his 3rd Asian game. Here's Carriazo, trying to look for an opening. Duremdes by Menk. Castillo. Kenneth zigzagging.
Talagang yun. Pagkagawa. Talagang meron siyang ang ganda ng vertical lip eh.
Fast break by the Philippines, and Duremdes and Racela teaming up. Wild heave going nowhere. Asi pitches it out. Kenneth Duremdes! Maraming speculation as to whether how strong North Korea was nung nag-draw na natin ng North Korea. Here's Castillo down the right flag. Top of the keyhole. Here's the attack by Duremdes. Yes. Here comes Asi Taulava. 3-on-3. Binitbit. No problem for Duremdes.